Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset or factory data reset in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to do this, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and here scroll down and click on factory data reset. Now here scroll down and here you will see a reset option, so tap on this reset option, and after clicking on this reset option here, it will reset your mobile and it will delete everything from your mobile. So that's how you can do a hard reset or factory data reset in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.